Thanks for interesting to know about membership login Clickfunnels bridge page. Membership login, one of the best features inside of Clickfunnels is the ability to create a membership site in an easy and fast way. Your membership site is completely personalizable. You can give access to your customers to whatever you want and in a clear way. You also can choose how much time do you want to pass until a customer can access a specific content. Clickfunnels membership site allows you to send emails whenever you want, according to different rules that you can set up. All these features make it easy for you to create a membership area, instead of the complex ways that other solutions like Kajabi or WordPress offer. It's absolutely useful not to have to get a separate software or plugin to create subscription websites. Email integration and Actionetics *. With every funnel comes a checklist of email integration opportunities. Click the link below in this video for more updates. Clickfunnels supports email integration with every one of the most popular email marketing autoresponders like ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, Constant Contact, Aweber, GetResponse, Drip, Hubspot, InfusionSoft, MadMimi, MailChimp, Market Hero, Sendlane, Salesforce, Ontraport, and other ones. However, Clickfunnels bridge page has its own email automation software called Actionetics. Although you can create emails, schedule them, and supply them in any email marketing solution, Actionetics is more than that. I like Clickfunnels bridge page autoresponder because it doesn't only focuses on your email advertising. Actionetics covers messenger advertising as well as SMS advertising. This takes automation to an entire new level. It also supports you in your mission to connect with your customers in the most effective way when they require it. I will provide you a video summary of Actionetics if you want to learn more about it. Thanks for watching this video.